To make a boomerang video on Snapchat, start by opening the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Navigate to the camera screen, which is the default screen that appears when you open the app. On the camera screen, you will see several icons at the top and bottom of the screen. Look for the camera mode selector at the right side of the screen, which appears as a series of options such as photo, video, and more. Tap on the camera mode selector and swipe through the available options until you find the boomerang mode, which is indicated by a boomerang icon. Select the boomerang mode to switch to it. Once you are in boomerang mode, point your camera at the scene or subject you want to capture. You can capture a boomerang of anything, from a person or animal to an object or landscape. To record a boomerang, hold down the capture button at the bottom of the screen. The camera will record a short video clip, which is typically around 1 second long. As soon as you release the capture button, the video clip will be converted into a boomerang, which is a loop of the video clip that plays forward and backward. You can then customize your boomerang by adding text, drawings, or filters to it. To do this, tap on the text, draw, or filter icon at the top of the screen and select the option you want to use. After customizing your boomerang, you can share it with your friends on Snapchat by tapping on the Send to button at the bottom of the screen. You can also save the boomerang to your camera roll or post it to your story. To get the most out of boomerang mode, make sure to capture interesting and dynamic scenes, and experiment with different customization options to make your boomerangs unique and engaging.